What, your favourite British woman? Train. Let's go. You like these trains because you live in Uckfield or London Bridge. You like this train because you hate South Eastern when you're leaving the services that you normally use. You love these trains because you don't like 125s. You love these trains because you hate 225s. You love these trains because you don't like the other 800s. You like these trains because you don't like the other 376. Subscribe for part 2. There, might get a lose. Let's see if we get 2.